Alright, welcome guys. Today's video, we're over here in Bang Pa Inn. We're about 45 minutes or so north of Bangkok, and we're gonna go check out the summer palace here at Bang Pa Inn. So let's go in and let's take a look and see what things look like. This is the area that it's nearby. Here's like a little canal that comes off the Chao Phraya River. And right next to the summer palace is Wat Nawat, which is a temple built in the Renaissance style also by King Rama V. That's the people out here feeding the fish. And these guys here got their little boat. They're doing something. Okay, so let's walk up to the palace. So we parked over here next to the temple, and then it's just a short little, about 1 minute walk to the front gate. All right, so here's the entrance to it right here, and it's open from 8 until 4. Now you gotta wear long pants to go inside. So you buy tickets here. Foreigner pricing is 100 baht for a ticket. And you can also rent a golf cart for 400 baht for an hour to explore the area. So a brief history of the Bang Pa Inn Palace while we're walking around here looking. The history of it dates back to the 17th century. So it was originally constructed under the reign of King Prasat Thong, who was the king of Ayutthaya from 1629 to 1656. So he constructed a palace here on the Bang Pa Inn Island that's on the Chao Phraya River. Now, King Prasat Thong was the illegitimate son of King Ekrasat, and who the story goes is that King Ekrasat was shipwrecked on an island that's nearby here, and he had an illegitimate child from a woman. And there's also a temple and stuff over here that was built on the grounds of where she lived. So anyway, the son that he had with her grew up to become the chief minister, and later usurped the throne and became King Prasat Thong. So he built the monastery, Wat Chulalongkorn, that's was land that his mother had on the Bang Pa Inn Island, and it's not too far from here. So anyway, they built the monastery, and then they built the royal palace over here. This building here is the Prahatian Utan Pumsaran. It's the Garden of the Sacred Land. This was actually the residence of the king. So after the fall of Ayutthaya, the palace was abandoned, and it was later revived by King Rama IV. And he's known in the West as King Mongkut. And he built a temporary residence on the outer island next to the Neo-Gothic monastery, the Wat Nawat, which is a fantastic temple, and it's visible from the island, and you can go over there and visit it. So he built his temporary residence over there, and then his son, King Rama V, King Chulalongkorn, built most of the other buildings that are here. Most of the construction was completed in 1872-ish to 1889, and that's what gives it the look today. And the last people that would really use this palace was King Rama IX. Now mostly it's just open here for tourists. There's a lot of buildings, a lot of history that goes into it, some memorials for King Rama IV's wife that was killed in a boating accident, and some other stuff. So let's enjoy and let's just look around here a little bit more.
All right, so that finishes up a quick little video over here at Bang Pa Inn Palace. Now inside there, almost all the buildings are closed off, so you can't go inside any of them. You just see them from the outside. And then the one building that's open is the museum, and you can walk through there, but there's absolutely no photography allowed in there. But the whole place is pretty interesting. It's really cool to see the architecture. It seems like someplace you'd see in Europe. It doesn't fit into Thailand at all. You know, it was all built by, most of it was built by King Rama V, who built a lot of stuff. All the stuff that he built pretty much looks like the Renaissance styling from Europe from his time there. Anyway, it was worth it. 100 baht for me, 20 baht for the Thais, and it was still worth it. So anyway, if you liked the video, make sure you click like and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends if you want. The likes and the comments all help me out, so just leave me a comment, tell me what you think. If you've been here, let me know also. And until next time, from over here in Bang Pa Inn, remember, life is a journey. Until next time, enjoy.